after leaving the Murray River camp, we headed to Balranald Caravan Park. Got a call for a gig at Broken Hill, so we did a bit of a backtrack down to Mildura, headed up Pooncarie Road towards Menindee, where we're going to spend the night. That stretch had more animals there than we've seen on our whole trip. There were emus and kangaroos, cows, sheep, goats, everyone just hanging out on the side of the road, so it was a slow drive. How's this for an Aussie moment, with the emu and kangaroos running beside the car? Australia is well known for having a lot of big things, so if you're looking through wiki camps and on a big thing hunt, you also stumble across the random one. Now on wiki camps this is called Bra's Boots and a Destroyed Pink Piano. It looks like it's been there for about 7 years. There's a tree full of bras and a tree full of boots. Yep, the piano has not survived. At this point in time it was getting later in the day and we were starting to run out of fuel, and this road went forever and ever and we didn't see a car for ages. So needless to say, we were very excited when we stumbled into Menindee and were able to fuel up and find somewhere to camp for the night. We stayed at the Menindee Lakes Caravan Park, which is about 5 kilometres north of the Menindee town. It was $35 a night for a site with power and water. So now we just chill out here for the night. Menindee Lake was really dry, and off in the distance you could see all of the emus that were hanging around. But this wouldn't be for too long. The floods out in Western Queensland were going to be flowing through soon, so as far as I know the lake's probably full now. So we were sitting at our camp watching the beautiful sunset and having a play, and a couple of the residents hit us up to come and sit around a campfire in the communal area, so that was a great night. And in the morning we were back on the road and on our way to the Broken Hill Outback Resort. The Broken Hill Outback Resort has both powered and unpowered sites. It also has cabins and has a bar and a restaurant. We stayed at a powered site, which is $50 for power and water for 2 people. We're in a great position, right in between the amenities and the bar and restaurant. The bathrooms were lovely, with each cubicle almost like your own little ensuite. We took advantage of the restaurant and stopped in for a meal before our gig. Tony always looks at the menu for 20 minutes deciding what he's going to have before he always lands back on the snitty, with extra salt. Left Broken Hill Outback Resort this morning and we're heading towards Cobar. Just stopped off to check out this free camp at Meadowbrook. Lots of clocks, so I'm going to have to Google why there's so many clocks here. Interesting. Nice spot, has lots of different spaces to go back and camp off the road. Toilet, which is always handy. It is right beside the road, so it could get a little noisy, but for free camping, it's going to complain. Considering that stretch of road that we've just come through, which is like Goat Central, I'm actually surprised there aren't goats hanging around here. Well, we decided it wasn't the right time to stop. Yeah, we're about 60 k's out from Cobar, so we're just going to keep driving on and find a different free camp in there in town where there's some shops so we can get some supplies.
Hopefully no goats will jump all over the car.
Yeah. On Wikicamps, we found that there was a donation camp out the back of the Cobar RSL Memorial Club. There's plenty of space for a few caravans. Obviously no power or water being a donation camp. There is a toilet block out the back, which is where you'll find the donation box. So we made it to the Cobar RSL. They've got a donation camp here out the back of the RSL, which is just a hop, skip and jump over to the main road and the shops. Just got to be careful of the burrs here. Pretty hectic. So 1, don't get them in your feet. 2, don't drag them into the caravan and get them in the carpet, because they will hurt. Next we'll be heading off to Burke as we make our way to Charlotte Plains. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to our channel to watch some more, and we'll catch you in the next one.